Sorry, before I go, let me talk about how we can export it and bring it to life. So simply we are done designing and we are perfect with it. I can just, okay, even look at this about me. I centralized it to the page, but I think it will look nicer if I centralize it according to the body of the text. According to the body of this. Instead of the way I've centralized it according to this. I actually centralized it according to this. So I think it will be better off according to the other one. So let me just move it. And can you see my guide is here already? So I think it looks better this way. So now I can now click on the export button. So now don't forget I talked about Canva app that can help us change the dimension. So we are done designing. Just click on these three dots. Let's click on these three dots to be on the safer side actually, and click on save. You might not do that and still go to canva.app and you have your work, but just to be on the safer side, I decided to do that. So I want to export using Canva app because that will allow me, see what I'm saying here. Let me verticalize it here. If I click on the export button and click on download, don't forget I said the higher the dimension, the more the quality. So that's what we want to put into consideration here. Sorry, my network just went off, but it's back now. Okay, so now I have different options: PNG, JPEG, and the likes, but PNG is what I like, high quality. Now I would like to increase the size. Look at the size here. So, but because this is the free version on canva.com, I cannot increase the size. That is why I would like to go back to Canva app, which will enable me to increase the size. So let me go back and minimize, then go back to Canva. Brother, Canva is loading. Okay, cancel. Then go to designs. Okay, can you see that? So you might want to refresh. Okay, generating preview. Hold on, it's generating preview. And it's trying to sync with what I just did in the other canva.com. Hold on, I think my network is not really cooperating well this morning. Okay. Edit. Okay. I guess it has finished syncing. Wow. What just happened? It changed my fonts. Okay. I might want to, let me quickly adjust that. It changed my fonts, and which is where that means it didn't sync well. Okay. What can I do? Let me go and copy. Let me go back to canva.com. Let me see if I can rectify that from there. Click on the three dots and click on make a copy. Because normally it's not supposed to change the font. That font is a common font that should be in canva.app too. So let me make a copy. Okay. So let me now go back to Canva app and discard this. Let me go back. Okay. And refresh again. I think it's the process of my network that went bad that actually affected it. Okay. So let me go to, you can see the copy is here now. The copy I just did. You can see. So let me just, can you see that? It has affected it again. Something is actually wrong. I think it's not syncing well with the Canva database. Okay. Let me just change it. Yeah. because this is abnormal. It's not supposed to happen like this. Let me change it. Let me tweak it a little. Okay, and okay, this one is well aligned now. I can now go back to my Open Sans Extra board. Can you see? Everything is now bolded. So it's just one of those things that happens some glitches at times. So I can now go ahead and export by clicking on my normal export button. Don't forget, why we came here is to have a more quality exporting. Now save as. You can see here now I can now increase the size. Can you see that? And that will work, that will increase the quality of my picture. So I'm able to increase it to the highest. So now download. Downloading. Now the time it will take to download is a function of how heavy your work is. You understand? If I had not increased the size, if I had left it as 1, it would have finished downloading by now. But because I increased it to the highest, which is 3, don't forget the size of the design by default is meant to be 1080 by 1080. I started off by, okay, it has finished saving. I started off by making it in triple form. Like I multiplied 1080 by 3. That alone will make my work heavy. I'm now also exporting